So I just wanted to show my hydraulic crimper, and you can get them off Amazon probably for about $100, and it comes as a kit in a hard shell case, and it comes with different crimp sizes, and I have a reference chart that will tell me which crimp size is for what specific wire gauge. And this gauge right here is 4 gauge, and I happen to know from my chart that it's number 25 millimeters. So what we have to do is put these 25 millimeters in the slot here, one that way and one on top, so it's going to sandwich it in between, as you can see. And you put your stopper in there. This thing has an on-off switch, where off obviously releases the hydraulics, and then on enables it. So what we're going to do is I already spliced the wire. I'm going to put this terminal on there and crimp it. I'm going to put the camera down here. And what I do is I put this inside the crimps, and then I kind of squeeze down on it a little bit until it catches. I don't crimp it, because then this makes it so that that the wire, you can hold it in there while you're crimping. Okay, there we go. So now it's kind of tight right there. And then I can put the wire in there, the cable, and hold it in there, and it stays nice and tight while I crimp it down. It doesn't really take a lot to do, but I keep it on the floor so that you don't have to, you at least have some leverage with it. And that should do it. You release it. And there's your crimp. So next we'll do some heat shrink. All I do is take my barbecue lighter, you should always use heat shrink to protect the wire from elements as well as from yourself. There you have it. Perfect crimp. Now just wire it up to the solenoid and we're good to go.